Welcome back. My name is Max, and this is Make Money with Max Online. Today, I want to discuss the subject about making a little extra cash from home. Uh, our program will walk you through every single step of the way, A through C. And eventually, what will end up happening is that you'll end up making, say, $100 per sale in one night, or maybe even $200 in one night for one sale. Or maybe even an extra, say, $1,000 a month. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Could you use an extra $1,000 a month? I know that I sure did. And I can tell you that by picking this program, learning more about this program, you can learn how to make up to $1,000 per day. We have a gentleman in the UK that's making $1,000 days. And it's ridiculous to say that if you structure this program the way we teach it, that you cannot make $1,000 a day, even more. Yes, it takes dedication. It's not going to be overnight. But you start working your system, you continue to develop it, and you will see results. Even if it's $100 a day or a week or $1,000 a month, I'm telling you that this whole program is worthwhile investigating. Go down to my description in the link below to Make Money with Max Online. Click on that and go directly to our free series where I talk about all the steps that you need to take action on to begin the step-by-step instructions on how to develop your business. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a like, ring the bell so we can notify you when I produce a new video. I've got new stuff coming on that I really want you to learn more about. The new series that I have already launched. We're on video number 2 for that. And tomorrow we'll be uploading a new video on the uphill climb. So talk to you guys later. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to go down in the description below and click on Make Money with Max Online.